Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ali Virtue, and yeah, this is Grow with this channel, and you're super welcome back to my channel. For those who have subscribed, thank you for subscribing. For those who are just coming across this page for the first time, please don't forget to use the subscribe button before you get to the end of this video. So in today's video, I'm just going to be talking briefly about how to grow or watch ads faster. I have been on YouTube for quite a while now, 3 years to be precise, and I have gathered a lot of experience. I must tell you, I've gathered so many experience lessons. I have been able to learn from other people, and the reason why I created this channel, I've said that before in my very first video. This one here, you can go watch it. The reason why I created this channel is so that I can be able to share with every other person. And I think from the little or the much I know, I should be able to teach and train other people. So this video is for you if you're struggling to get your 4,000 watch hours faster. Kindly watch to the end and don't forget to give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Now let's get right into the video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing this practical method that I have applied and I've seen it work for me and for so many other persons. I'm going to be sharing the method I use to get my watch hours faster. And this method is called live streaming. Live streaming and then playlist. These two things, you know, using them hand in hand actually helped me to get my watch hours faster. Now, please listen to the end so I can get the entire thing I'm trying to say. Let's assume that you are a new YouTuber and your subscriber count is not up to 50. I'm sure you already know that you need at least 50 subscribers for you to be able to use the live feature on YouTube. So this is what I will suggest or advise that you can do in order to be able to get your 50 subscribers fast and then be able to go live. You can use Canva app to create a template on your other social media accounts like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and then share it with your audience, asking them to kindly help you subscribe to your YouTube channel, telling them about the channel and what it's about. Let your family and friends and people that want to support you. Let them go ahead and subscribe to that channel. Once you get to 50 subscribers, please stop using that technique. Let the algorithm be the one to promote your content to more persons. So once you get to 50 subscribers, please stop using that method. The reason why I'm even doing this is just so I can get 50 subscribers faster and be able to have the live feature turned on for you. Now, when the live feature is turned on, it's simple. This is how to go live. You see this icon here, this plus icon showing on the screen. You just go ahead and click on that, and then you see all the features that YouTube have. You see shorts, posts, live, and what's the last one again? Videos. You can choose to use any of them, but like I said in this tutorial, I'm trying to teach you how to use the live stream methods, to get your 4,000 watch hour faster. Now, when you have when you go live, when you click on that live button and you want to go live, before you go live, please ensure that you also use Canva or any other editing app that you use for your designs. Ensure that you create a template, a design that you can share, either on your social media handles, and you use that same template as the thumbnail, right? Ensure that you have a very catchy thumbnail that clearly states what your live stream is about, and use that as a thumbnail for your live stream. Now, when you have done that, ensure you do all the settings, include your description, give the live stream a very good title and it's eye catchy, and be able to get the attention of people and be able to get them to watch your live stream section. Now put in your title, put in your description, ensure that the setting is not made for kids, and then you can also include your country if you want to, and then you can go live. Now when you go live, don't wait, because the truth is, when you go live, some of the times you might be live like 5 minutes and nobody is watching. Now, at that point, I think one of the mistakes I used to make earlier before now is I just, I just do nothing. I just sit there smiling at myself, blushing, and do nothing. But over this period of time that I have remained consistent, right? I have now learned that the right thing to do is once you go live, ensure that you already have a topic. Like I said, your title is your topic. The reason why you're going live, begin to talk about it. right? Begin to give out value. Let it be that when people finally get to join the live stream, they will see something that will interest them and make them stay. Now, even if they don't get to join the live stream, remember that when you're done with the live stream, it's going to be uploaded. You're going to click on done, right? Meaning it's going to be uploaded on your page, on your channel, right? So let it be that when somebody comes back to your channel and then they see your live stream videos, let it be that someone they can actually click and watch, and they'll be interested in watching to the end. Not that you just sit down there and then you're saying nothing, you're doing nothing, you're just like playing around, or you're just being mindless. Like I said, I usually used to make that mistake before now, but I have learned, and now I know that when I'm going live, I have a reason why I'm coming live. So I should start talking about what is making me do a live. I don't know if you get that point. So just continue. Like, you might not get as much engagement the very first, second, third day. If you're lucky, you might actually have so much engagement. But in case you don't get discouraged. Continue. Go ahead and publish that particular live. Like when I say publish, go ahead and ensure that it gets uploaded on your YouTube channel. When you are done, let's assume that you decide to do a 7 day live stream challenge. When you are done, all of that live stream video, create a playlist for it. Include other live stream in a playlist. If you have video contents, also do the same thing for your video contents. And then go ahead and share the playlist link to your contacts, to your audience that is not YouTube audience, right? Asking them to help you watch your video. Like I said, I have applied this and it really did work for me. I have had a time where I actually went live and I had about 100 persons plus watching my live stream. I didn't screenshot, I didn't remember to take a screenshot that day. I had 100 persons plus watching my live stream. And you can imagine how when 100 and something persons are watching your live stream at once, you can imagine the amount of watch hours that is going to accumulate for you. Now, my other channel, I had in the period of 1 month from October, I started that channel. I became serious on that channel like from October last year till November 13th. And I kept using live stream, I kept posting videos, I kept using shorts. I used all of them, right? Like I used everything, leaving none out. I know some people tell you don't post shorts. Shorts is not good for your channel. I don't buy into that school of thought because I also saw that short also contributed to my watch hours. If it's not good to my channel, then why do you put it there, right? So I also use shorts. So I constantly posted live stream. By this time, I have gotten about 1,700 plus watch hours just from my live stream, 1,700 plus watch hours in less than a month. I mistakenly clicked on delete and then I deleted everything. And YouTube pattern, once you delete a video, it goes away with your views and your watch hours. And that's how I lost on that channel, right? That's how I lost my entire watch hour on that channel. I'm now trying to, regain it and apply everything I now understand and know on that channel again. It's taking me some time, but I know that with time I'll be able to, get a grip and a hold of my channel again. So, like I already mentioned, when you go first thing to do, if you're not to 50 subscribers, ensure to get to 50 subscribers by using the method I already mentioned. Well, if you're already up to 50 subscribers and you want to go live, please ensure that when you go live, you do all of the settings correctly. Put in a catchy thumbnail, put in a catchy description, a catchy title. Ensure it's not meant for kids. Then when you finally go on to live stream, make sure that your content is engaging. Let it be that it's something that somebody can watch and be interested in it to stay. Like be interested enough to stay. Don't just come to your camera and then do nothing. By so doing, imagine that you come to my live stream and then I'm just there looking at you without saying anything. There's something to keep you glued. You click away. The same way you click in fast, that's the same way you still click away. So you don't want that to be your case. Go ahead and begin to talk immediately you begin to live stream because it's being recorded and someone can really go back to rewatch those contents. Now, the last thing, like I said, is that you should create a playlist. Playlist is really important. And like I said, I feel more confident sharing my playlist with my audience outside YouTube more than I feel more confident sharing my playlist more than sharing the link to a particular video. But I've noticed that whenever I do before now, when I go ahead and share, maybe I make a post and then I share a particular link to that video, it gets reactions, like people get to interact on it, and after a while it just stops. Like it's like YouTube does not even care about that video again. And because I've been able to, watch other people's content here, I now understand that is an error. I shouldn't be doing that. But when it's a playlist, it's safer. So go ahead and share your what's it called, your playlist with your contacts and ask them to watch your video. Now, some persons might say they don't have the time. This is what you can actually do. You can ask them to watch in the night. They can just do night subscription, right? Or YouTube live, YouTube night subscription, and then get to watch your videos in the night. To be on it, to even make it, to even give you fast and the more watch hours, they can go ahead and watch that video on a slow speed. And this is what I mean. When you play a video, you will see a button there. When you click on it, you see that the timer, there's this thing here. Go ahead and place that video on a slower pace. Let the video play on a slower pace. Let's assume that video is just 4 minutes, for instance. If you're watching on 0.5, it's going to be it's going to mean that you're going to be spending 8 minutes to watch that particular video. So ask your friends, ask your family members to help you do that, and you'll be able to testify that your watch hours will actually grow. It's not the one that you will see today and then tomorrow just your watch hours again. It will actually increase your watch hours. Now, I think I've come to the end of this video. I really do hope that you find value and you're able to understand me. Please, if you did watch to the end, kindly leave a comment. If anything I said made sense, please kindly leave a comment, leave a like, leave a reaction on this video. Let's get to create a community here. As you can see, I'm trying to grow this second channel, and I'll be so glad to have you join my community, have you always come to watch my content. Please don't forget to do a subscription for me. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. All right, bye.